Hi, good morning, student. Hope all are doing good. And please do not go out of your house. Please stay home, stay safe and healthy. Okay? Right. So today's topic which we're going to do is we're going to learn something in grammar, which is we're going to do something in English language, and the topic name is letter writing. I hope we were doing it, but we could not complete it because because there were very less time in this Zoom meeting, the Zoom session. So we could not complete this topic, but now we are going to complete this topic with the forms of letter, both the forms of letter, formal and informal. Okay. Now, before I would like to start with our session of today's, I would want to inform you, student, when I am giving you certain assignments. So I expect you guys to complete and send it to me back so that I could complete. Very few students from your grade, I remember the names of the student. One is Elvis, the other one is Adiba, and there's one new student, Parzani Damani or something. Parzan Damani. I'm sorry for mispronouncing the name because I am not familiar with the name. And there are a few more. Like there are 5 or 6 students taking interest in completing the assignments and sending it to me for checking. Rest, nobody sends me the assignment. Assignments are not to be kept with doing in your books and keeping in your books, covering in your books, and keeping it for yourself. Assignments are to be sent to your teacher to check whether you have done it correctly or not. Except few students, majority of the grade is not taking an interest of completing the assignments and sending. We have a lot of grades to monitor. We have a lot of divisions of the grades to monitor. That doesn't mean we are giving you assignments and we are forgetting. We know who does it and who all are not doing the assignment. Trust me, student. This is really going to help you in academic performance when it comes to making your final result. And this is really going to help you if you submit your assignment on time. And I know who all are submitting and I know who all are not submitting. I am keeping a close watch on the students who are not submitting me the assignments. And I will see them, when the time will come and they'll come and ask me, sir, we have not followed this, please try to explain us. I'm telling you again and again, if you're not following anything, please approach me, please text me and tell me, sir, I have not followed this, please explain me. I won't mind you explaining individually in a personal chat if you're feeling it shy. Okay. But I would appreciate if you send me a doubt in the group so that the other person who's having a doubt in the same topic, even his doubt will get clear. His or her doubt will get clear. Okay. Next time, student, please don't do like this. Please send the assignment which we are sending it to you because we have a lot of other things to do. We cannot monitor each and every student individually and tell them like, I didn't got an assignment from you and you are the person who have not sent me even a single assignment. Please try to understand our condition also and try to send us the assignment on time. Alright. So let's come to the topic of today's. Today's topic is letter writing, which we couldn't complete because of a very less time that day. So let me tell you what is basically letter writing. Now, letter writing actually is a unique way of expressing your communication. Because of its authenticity, beauty, and clarity, it gives a very good impression. What do you mean by authenticity? Authenticity means genuineness, beauty, and the clarity of your impression, throwing on your paper gives a very good meaning. Now, I know in modern ways, of electronic communication, letter writing has its own importance and it's a best medium. Now, in an electronic, like in a modern days, there are a lot of sources of sending text, sending messages, sending letters. Then you people must be thinking like, why is it necessary to write a letter and to send? Let me tell you why. Now, suppose if you're going on leave in your school, say next month, this is July month and next month, August month, you're going on leave. So in that day, you won't expect your principal, meaning sending a text saying your principal on WhatsApp that I am going on leave in the month of August, please approve it. So you don't expect your principal, to keep a track of each and every student on a WhatsApp chat. It's better to, send an application. Sending application is nothing but writing a letter and telling your organization or telling your school to please grant me a permission. For all this reason, letter writing is very important. When let's say you're working in a company, you want to go on a vacation or you want to take a leave for some, XYZ reason. That time you don't expect your boss, by sending a message, he'll approve your leave. Those are the times where you have to write application, write a letter, and you have to send it. So all this time letters are very important. Now I'll tell you how to write a letter. Now basically letter is of two type. I've already informed you in our previous Zoom session. One is formal letters, the other one is informal letters. Now formal letters is used basically when you have to send a letter to your principal, to your boss, to somebody senior to you, to a respectable person, to a person who holds a very good position. At that time formal letters are used. Now certain points to remember while writing formal letters. So first is explanation is required in a reasonable limit. Means when you try to write a letter, try not to extend the letter, beyond, because there are students who write only for the sake of writing and they are repeating the sentence after every 2-3 points, the same thing. So try to make a letter as short as you can. Short and sweet. Second point to remember is, I'm going to send you all these points also, don't worry. It's just an explanation I'm giving you. The second point is, submit your views and with clarity, and the reasons has to be appropriate. Means, when you're writing a letter, meant the purpose of writing a letter should be appropriate. See, let's see, if you're writing a letter on, if you want a break, if you want a extend in your break, little time extend in your break, don't give an inappropriate reason telling your principal that I need because I am used to eating, when my mother cooks me, when my mother gives me a food, I used to heat it and then I used to eat it. So that takes time. So don't give on inappropriate. I After having my food, after having my tiffin, I used to go to to the washroom, which takes time. So please extend the time. Don't give all those reasons, all those inappropriate reasons. Give some appropriate reason. Mannerism is highly maintained. Means whenever you're writing a letter to such high profile people, use respected words. Use sir words. Rather using hi, how are you, hi principal, please increase our time, what is all these things. Okay, these are not allowed. Fourth thing is, harsh remarks should be certainly avoided. When you're writing a letter to your principal saying that please extend the time in a break because it is too short, please make it from 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Don't use informal way, like don't write a letter in casual way. What is this? My friend goes to school, they are getting 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and you just giving me 15 minutes. Don't sound your letter as if you are forcing your principal to give. Sound it in a way as if you're requesting. You're asking a permission, please give us. Next is, style and presentation of a formal letter is equally important. The way you write, style presentation is, when you write a letter, write it in a beautiful writing, neat and tidy. Should look like as if you made a real presentation and you're presenting something, rather giving an untitled writing however you want to, not that way. Okay, because you are now in 8th grade, not a small grade, and after this letter writing is going to be on your 9th grade also, 10th grade also. So keep in mind each and everything what I'm going to tell you now, and what I'm going to give it to you. So following all those points, please write a letter. I will be sending you some examples also, and after finishing with this session, after finishing with this video, I'll be sending you an assignment also, that you have to write a letter on what topic. Okay, so you have to keep in mind all these things, and then you can write a beautiful formal letter. I'll show you the form. What is the format used in formal letters? Now in formal letters, first thing is you need to write a sender's name. Okay, the one who's sending. Then follows with the date,